FAQ time. We're here once again to answer your questions about Reflections Splashbacks. One of the most common questions we receive from our customers is, can Reflections Splashbacks be installed behind a gas stove or cooktop? The answer, absolutely. The Reflections panel has been rigorously tested and complies with New Zealand Standards 5601.1.2013 for use behind gas stoves and cooktops. Our installation instructions recommend maintaining a minimum distance of 110 millimeters between the edge of the rear burner and the Reflections Splashback panel. This distance is essential unless the panel is adhered to a non-combustible substrate, such as an existing tile wall, concrete, or brick. If you have any other questions, please visit our FAQ page on our website. If you can't find the answer there, feel free to contact us directly. Until next time.